In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see if you have the new Messenger update on Instagram. So Instagram recently made an update where you can now connect your Facebook Messenger contacts to your Instagram page, and I'm going to be showing you how to check that. So let's just get straight into it. So what you want to do is once you're on your homepage of Instagram is you want to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. That's going to take you to your profile, and then you want to tap on the 3 horizontal stripes at the top right of the page. Then from here you want to tap on settings. For me it's at the bottom, but I think on iPhones it's located in a slightly different location, but just find settings and tap on it. Then from here you want to tap on security, and now you have a whole bunch of options, and you can see the option there underneath data and history. There is an option there that says access data. Go ahead and tap on that. Okay, so this page is going to give you some information regarding your Instagram account, but you can see here underneath my date of birth, it says date upgraded to cross app messaging. Now, if you have the update, you're going to see something different, but for me, it says your account doesn't have any information to show here, meaning that I don't have the new Instagram Messenger update. So I'll have to keep on waiting for that update to be rolled out in my country or for my specific account. I have checked on various other accounts and I don't have it yet. But another way that you can go ahead and check if you have the update is to go back and go out of here and then just go to your home page, and you can see at the top right of the screen it has that airplane icon. That is your messages. If you have the Messenger update, you're going to see like a Facebook Messenger symbol over there instead of that paper plane icon. So if you don't want to go ahead and wait for the update to be rolled out, what you can do is try and update the app. So go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone. Just search up Instagram, and there you can see for me it has an update. So if I tap on this Instagram, it says update. So the chances are I could get the new Messenger update within this update if I do download it. So you always want to make sure you have the latest version of Instagram running on your phone to get rid of any bugs and to get all the new features as they get rolled out to your country. So I hope that explained this a little bit better. If you got some value out of this video, then like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more. Take care.